Back in on the takeoff roll, the B-25, the Mitchell Bomber, ladies and gentlemen, being flown today by Mike Olson and Rick Sharp. And the queen of the fleet from Lone Star, taking off from the right, ladies and gentlemen, the B-17 Flying Fortress.
That's Flying Fortress coming. Watch out for that pole, okay?
And the fastest twin-engine bomber of World War II, the A-26 Invader. Fighters coming right behind them. So they had to leave the carrier much earlier and much further out than they anticipated. That caused them to run low on fuel. Most of them were trying to reach it into China. And again, the Japanese occupied areas of China. But because of that, they failed. 16 bombers struck Tokyo, Kobe, Nagoya, and Yokohama. Most of the airplanes crash-landed in China, with one airplane ending up in the Soviet Union. And of the 75 flyers who landed in China, 3 died in accidents, 8 were captured by the Japanese, and the rest returned to the United States. That raid on Tokyo and the other cities did very, very little damage, but it was a great psychological blow to the Japanese.
Hornet and attacked Tokyo, but today, here at Randolph Air Force Base, the B-25 won with public awareness and honoring veterans. Today, disabled American veterans is proud to present the B-25 Special Delivery. The Lone Star Flight Museum's B-25 is the official B-25 of the Doolittle Raider Association and serves as a flying tribute to the 80 brave men whose duties contribute into history. Pending the exact colors and markings of the Doolittle Raider aircraft, the Special Delivery, this is the only civilian aircraft to wear the emblem of the Doolittle Raiders. The DAC invites all veterans here today to stop by the display and allow us to say thank you. Because you are our heroes and we honor you, so we will never forget.
And we really appreciate it. And
Absolutely.
you've got your big trailer down here, and there's the Special right there.
We have, right now, we have all kinds of freebies to give away. We're going to give away a model you can register for. You can buy a commemorative pin. You can just come down and say hello.
And you've got a lot of information for veterans, too.
Absolutely. We honor all veterans. Come down and see us, ask questions, say hello.
Don't have to be with the Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, Coast Guard, any veteran.
Any veteran. That's exactly right. Can we get a round of applause for all the veterans that are here today?
Yeah, how about it? Put your hands together for all of our veterans here today. You know, in 1943, President Roosevelt said, America is truly an arsenal of democracy. And the arsenal of democracy became the arsenal of victory for the free world. American industry and military forces were growing so fast that by late 1943, we were on the offensive at the rate of 1 per hour. And in addition to supplying our own forces, we gave this awesome armada to other allies. The Lockheed Hudson went to British, then went the B-24 Liberator and the Mustang that you see flying out in front of you right now. The P-40 Warhawk went to the Chinese, and to every front we sent the C-47. America rearmed herself and 44 other countries with this arsenal of democracy. That's the P-47 Thunderbolt, and our pilots Mike Olson and Rick Sharp. The two P-51, there's Larry Lumpkin. He flew from more than 25 airfields in England. The 26 Invader, two 2,500 horsepower Pratt Whitney engines. The two-seat attack bomber with a speed capable of 365 miles an hour. The Invader made its first prototype in 1940. He had an excellent chance of getting home because it could take a whole lot of punishment. Special delivery, the B-25. Round and now the B-17. Mustang overhead. And the carpet bomb by the B-17. There's the A-26 Invader, flown by David Huffman today. You know, by 1943, now over your left shoulder, photo passes for the bombers and the fighters. First in the B-25 special delivery, the Mitchell Doolittle bomber. And Rick Stark in the cockpit. Nice transformed view, looking right down into the cockpit. Here's the B-17. Thunderbird. The B-17, Keith Hibbett, Skip Bonner at the controls. Look at the beautiful paint job on that. And an Oshkosh PAA award winner in the Warbird section. Coming up next after the Warbird, a lot more firepower in the center field.
I'll be back.
Larry Lufkin in Gunfighter. Bruce Winter from San Antonio. And Tommy Gregory in the jug. Model dressed after F-117. Here's another photo pass by Mustang and the P-47. Once we get all of these aircrafts on the ground, stand by for some firepower with the A-10 Warthog. On the top of a moving motorhome going down the runway. So that will be interesting. That'll be followed by Greg Cole, the ethanol powered stand in the middle of the taxiway, holding my hand out. And we're going to see if he can land and taxi without any power right here to making us sound good. We appreciate it. And we just both Dan Blake. He's the president of Mach 1 Enterprises. He does many shows with us. In the second Mustang, Bruce Winter from San Antonio.